Welcome back to Cars Jade Channel. Today we delve into the essence of automotive excellence with the 2026 Hyundai Santa Fe. The 2026 Hyundai Santa Fe has arrived, challenging traditional SUV norms with its striking design and innovative features. While its boxy exterior may split opinions, it undeniably commands attention and caters to families with its spacious interior, impressive cargo capacity, and cutting-edge technology. The Hyundai Santa Fe's bold, futuristic design has made waves since its debut. With a boxy silhouette and sharp lines, it stands apart from the sea of rounded SUVs on the road. Though its styling remains divisive, it perfectly aligns with Hyundai's intent to create a family-friendly vehicle with a distinctive edge. Step inside, and you'll find that the Santa Fe's interior mirrors its bold exterior. Dominated by dramatic rectangles, the cabin's aesthetic is clean, modern, and cohesive. The front row area is a haven of convenience. Multiple storage options, including a wide pass-through space beneath the center console, are perfect for stowing purses or backpacks. Dual wireless smartphone chargers, available as an option, allow you to charge two devices simultaneously, ideal for busy families. The second and third row seats fold flat, providing flexibility for hauling cargo. Rear passengers aren't left out when it comes to comfort, with a climate control knob dedicated to adjusting HVAC settings for those in the back. While the third row is snug compared to the larger Palisade, it's sufficient for children and smaller adults. Every 2026 Hyundai Santa Fe comes equipped with a turbocharged 2.5-liter inline-4 engine. Here's a closer look at its performance specs. Produces 277 horsepower and 311 lb-ft of torque. An 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission is standard, with all-wheel drive available as an option. Earns a respectable EPA rating of 20 miles per gallon in the city. While the engine provides plenty of power, the dual-clutch transmission may exhibit some lag at low speeds. However, the suspension tuning prioritizes a smooth, comfortable ride, ensuring a relaxing experience for drivers and passengers alike. The price of the 2026 Hyundai Santa Fe starts at $35,615 and goes up to $48,165 depending on the trim and options. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.